Look at this. There are 6,128 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. Got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. If you look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, sideways, price action. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. $500 Bitcoin giveaway. Let's go. Bitcoin has just been moving sideways. Not a whole lot of price action. Probably most people don't really see this market moving, and I'll show you some coins that have been moving amazing and some possible trading ideas at the end of the video. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So again, this triangle idea we talked about where potentially this will give us some good altcoin trading. When this thing pops, I mean, we're setting up for a big move out of Bitcoin. It looks like it wants to head down towards this lower trend line of this pattern. And again, the bulls need a break higher and everything changes. Bitcoin takes off, large caps start moving, market is rejuvenated on a Bitcoin break higher. This is a Bitcoin 1-hour chart. So Bitcoin's been in this rising channel. Right now on the 1 hour, it looks almost like an ascending, which is a more bullish triangle. Again, the price action's headed towards the lower trend line. It's critical the bulls hold this level and obviously push a breakout to the upside. So all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. I've got some amazing shout outs in my trading group and from the YouTube comments. This person said, my trading's completely changed. I've finally become profitable. I'm able to scalp $50 to $150 daily using your techniques. And he lives in a country where this is actually a pretty decent size sum of money. Shout out to Christopher Johnson. Saw the KMD setup I gave in a video previously. $540 richer based on that setup. Shout out to Fernando Salazar. Saw the AVE recommendation 2 days ago. 62% profits on one trade. This person reached out. They lost $120,000 in the Bitcoin pullback. Most people lost a tremendous amount of money, right? And so it was good to see he joined the group. He's up $10,000 in a week. Huge. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. I can make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups, period. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is ENJ. A lot of the gaming coins, a lot of NFTs took off over the last 24 hours. Yesterday, it was a lot of DeFi. Engine 28%. KMD up 33%. TLM up 37% after this accumulation. And I've got some setups for you guys at the end of the video. I posted this. These are all setups that I had. I had 3 of the top 4 gainers on Binance. These smaller coins move easier. Today, NFTs were exploding. Sand, AXS, TVK, Mana, ENJ, Dago, OGN, Super. I've got a Super set up in just a second. Looking for a retest. Harmony came out. This is ONE. This already took off, but I've got a CELR setup coming at the end of the video. This is Harmony. They've got a partnership with Terra Money that came out, and one pumped on this idea. So CELR, again, Binance, both are Binance IEOs, right? They like to follow each other. CELR has taken off, but not to the extent that one has. So Layer 2 Finance 1.0 testnet has launched on Ethereum. So big news for CELR. This is the bull market percentage. And we talked about this previously. And the bull market got that bounce, and it's led to tremendous upside out of these altcoins. And we just need this to continue higher. Just keep on pumping. Alt BTC pairs have been moving real well. Visa comes out. They reported over $1 billion in crypto spending in the first half of 2021. This is huge. Payment giant Visa is going to continue connecting the crypto economy to its networks of networks to support the broader digital transformation of financial services. They're going to continue to build out the ecosystem to make crypto more accessible. This is exactly what we need. The crypto bill in India is finally ready, says the finance minister. So stated here that the lawmakers have considered a lot of the crypto ideas to prepare the document. Polls, POLS. I got this set up for you at the end of the video. They have dynamic token sales, signature-based whitelisting, project pages and directory, whitelist application forms, polls staking, more decentralization. So this is coming on the third quarter of the polls roadmap. This is listed on Kucoin, and I'm going to show you that setup at the end of the video. RLC took off based on this idea. Like as soon as this news gets posted, boom. Such to be keeping up with the news as it gets tweeted. This iExec version 6 strengthening the RLC confidential computation solution. So something to consider. So Coinbase, after when Bitcoin was booming, Coinbase was the number 1 or 2 app on the App Store in the United States. Right now, it's all the way down to 300. Obviously, crypto has taken a hit overall, but bounce has to start somewhere. Is that where we're at? Bitcoin needs to show us something bullish. I want to propose an idea to you guys right now that most people don't see the gains being made in this market. I mean, the herd, this is what they see. A bunch of mixed red and green. This is from yesterday, right? You don't really see huge profits. The large caps are very heavy. They have significant market caps. We go over to coin market cap. You can see Bitcoin has a $650 billion market cap. For Bitcoin to 2x, for it to double, you need billions. $650 billion worth of money needs to come in and buy Bitcoin. This thing is super heavy. Ethereum, $275 billion, super heavy, right? To get 100% gains out of Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's going to take a ton of money, right? Anything in the top 10. I mean, Dogecoin, it's going to take $30 billion to come in to double the price of Dogecoin. And so the idea is you go down to the smaller caps and start focusing on these coins where you can see a lot of the gainers are down here. NFT coins, we've been talking about this all week. NFTs, I said watch NFTs, and I said watch DeFi. Before anybody was talking about it, right? You have to be a step ahead in this market. So UMA, right? It's only $645 million market cap. A lot easier to double. The multiples you're looking for are in the small caps. NFT dominance, we talked about this previously right here, where NFTs started taking off, and then they took about a day or two off, and we saw DeFi coins start to pump yesterday. I mean, we killed it on DeFi coins. And then today, NFTs pumped crazy. They've actually pulled back a little bit because of Bitcoin slowly. I mean, Bitcoin's making these tiny moves lower, and altcoins are getting, exponential price pullbacks because of it. These tiny little swings. And so the idea that I'm always concerned with is if I give you guys these setups, do you know how to effectively trade them, right? Because you're watching Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is going to give you the direction. Bitcoin is the driver, okay, of this entire market, right? And you're going to pick up these altcoin passengers along the way, but Bitcoin's got to be going the right direction for the altcoins to do what you want them to. And so you have to keep an eye on Bitcoin at the same exact time as you're watching these altcoins. And so that is my hesitation. Like when Bitcoin's trending higher, this gets ridiculously easy and you don't have to know a lot of these ideas. But I thought, hey, I tried to explain some of these ideas to you because you really need to know this. This is the stuff that changed my life, and this is the stuff that has made me so successful, and I want to share it with you guys. Super, okay, as an example, by the breakout, right? So you want volume confirmation, and then you need a candle body close, which this is already broken out. Candle body close and volume, right? But your RSI is overbought, so it's already overheated. So you want it to cool off, but you want it to cool off back down to this area. So if this area holds, it's called a retest, where you get a pullback here and you'll get a bounce. All the buyers they understand this exact same idea, okay? This is either going to bounce here or potentially could bounce here. I mean, it could pull back more if Bitcoin pulls back, but your buying opportunities come in at these levels. And so get Tradingview, chart this stuff like it's not hard, draw these horizontal trend lines, right? You're looking for the retest, right? You're looking for the retest, and Super has some potential upside. It hasn't really taken off yet, right? A lot of these NFT coins have been booming and Super hasn't yet. KAVA. So KAVA's got a ton of news coming. We're up about 13% on this. The testnet is July the 12th. The mainnet is August the 12th, and KAVA swap is August the 31st. Lots of news coming. And so this is by the breakout of this level. The price action, every time it runs up here, continually gets rejected from these levels. Rejected, right? Rejected. So when it does, all the sellers are right here. So when it finally breaks through, this is the ceiling right here. This is the ceiling. This is the ceiling, right? So when it does break through, the old ceiling becomes the new floor, and you get upside based on this idea. And then you got these news catalysts. So pay attention to KAVA. This is Polls BTC. This is on Binance and Kucoin. Okay, you want to buy the breakout of this level. Okay. And so you can see it's getting rejected from there right now. Now, as soon as this breaks out above this level, you'll have more upside. Understand that there's a diagonal in here that's valid as too. So there's a couple reasons why there's potential upside here, but I mean, it has to get through this group of sellers. Right now, all these setups are just exploding. It's been insane. Like, this is BLZ. You have to have an edge on each setup. And right now, a lot of these altcoins have already taken off. So BZRX, B4. And this is interesting where like you get these parabolic curves, right? That's normally pretty positive price action. Yeah, if you look at Solana, like it was just getting started here when I originally posted this on the 28th. We started buying down here in this triangle. And then, I mean, just imagine what you're kind of looking at when you're in these setups and like the price action. I mean, it's all over the place, right? And finally, 18% gains. But this wasn't one of the big gainers. Like these coins that move first are strong. Think about it. They've got big buyers. They've got news catalysts. People are paying attention to the coins that are moving. And so you have coins like, so Near looked pretty good. You start to get this rounded parabolic curve, right? These have been real well, and this is by the breakout of this idea. RSR was a nice one. I posted on the 3rd. And again, these coins are just getting started. These are bottoming patterns. Amazingly profitable, right? I was doing cartwheels about the CELR setup that I posted on the 2nd. Like it was just about to move. There's news on this one. This has to hold this trend line. This is like an if-then statement. If this holds, right? If it doesn't hold, just skip it. Find something else, right? It needs a retest. It needs a retest for upside continuation. Maybe it follows one. The more you understand about this market, the more successful you'll be, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.